Welcome back, all you punkers, thrashers, and rockers.
What day is it today? The 17th? 17th.
There's Philippe. Bonjour, Philippe.
Depuis juillet 2019.
Oh man, dude, this was such a fun fucking show.
The Laws of the Flesh Asian Tour. Little do we know that night, that'll be the last show for so fucking long. Thank you all for being here for our first show back. We greatly appreciate each and every one of you.
Great guy, even better host. Alright, here we go. This is me making my way down to the pit area because Matt McGachy said circle fucking pit.
So I dislocated my shoulder in the summer skateboarding. And so my doctor, my physiotherapist said no moshing. But then Matt McGachy said, so I went there for one song. And as soon as I walked in, someone just crunched right on my fucking big toe. It still did a lap.
Here we go. I slowed down for a hot minute. Yeah, okay. You can't quite see it. There were some bodies flying, but it was at this point where my toe was McShittered. I was in the pit for maybe 6 seconds, and yeah, I'm just fucking hobbling around like I don't know, like Forrest Gump trying to use his legs for the first time. I don't fucking know. And that was the point. What a fucking view. So handsome. Christian Donaldson, nuts, Brendan Gallagher, no. Got Ollie on the bass. Because I've seen Cryptopsy twice in less than a year, and they had 2 different basses. Because Ollie was on tour with Cattle Decap when we saw them in Winnipeg. And there's me standing at the front because little did I know, I was going to be in for months of pain. And this dude, I think I follow him on Instagram. That guy was rad. And me headbanging, debating whether or not to go check him on my toe. You know, for my first time with a GoPro strapped to my head, didn't do too horrible. Could have adjusted it a few times. Way of the road though, boys. Way of the road. There's me filming while I'm filming Filmception. Because I figured if you can't fucking mosh, might as well get some good footy. What the fuck am I doing? Oh man, I can smell that pit. And now this is me hobbling my limp ass toe to the bathroom to take a look at it. At first it didn't look too bad. It was, you know, the next morning when it fucking ballooned up. But yep, there's me hobbling over, taking off the GoPro, yes. So I'm like, fuck me, I need to go to the bathroom, yes, yes. And then I find Phil and my boys again. There's Grant. Grant was there earlier on the other frame.
BREWTAL Montreal! Make some fucking noise. Tell me how much you've enjoyed your experience so far. Make some fucking noise, Montreal! Thank you all so much for being here with us tonight.
I went to the bathroom and I was like, oh, it doesn't look too bad. Next day, fucking purple and blue.